Well, hey guys, welcome back. I'm so happy that you're here today. I did some Valentine's Day decor, and guys, I did some DIYs because, the items are in the store right now, and I really wanted to bring you some DIYs while supplies still last, so you can have some inspiration on what's still there and be able to duplicate or maybe get your own idea for doing DIYs because the items are going really quick. So I did, my first is swags, and guys, I got this garland with the hearts from the Dollar Tree, and also this year they have some heart grapevines, and it's 5 in a pack. I picked up 2 packs of these. I love them so much. So I know they look fine the way they are, but I wanted to jazz them up, so I add a little bit of red glitter with some Mod Podge, and I just painted it on and dried it down, and they look fabulous once they got dry. So what I'm going to do is separate the hearts. I only need 2 of them for my swag, and I'm going to be getting this Dollar Tree ribbon. They have some really pretty ribbon this year. You're just going to need to cut them in short, medium, and long because you want them to stagger when you make the swag. All you're going to do is loop it through, apply a little bit of hot glue. If you want to jazz it up, you can. I added a little bow on mine a little later, but basically that's all there is to it. I'm making 2, so I had 6 pieces of ribbon. And I just hot glued it in place, and guys, that's it. What I'm going to do now is get one of those hearts that's going to be anchoring everything. As you can see, there are 3 different lengths. I'm going to just flip it over. I'm going to cut a little bit more of that ribbon. I'm going to hang it up by that. So it's very simple and easy, and I love easy family friendly DIYs. And now all you're going to do is make sure that your little hearts are facing in the right direction and glue them in place. And guys, these are some really charming door or wall displays. You can put it on a doorknob, and that's an easy family-friendly DIY that I love. I did an XO, Hugs and Kisses, and I also did a welcome, and I think they came out great. So for my next DIY, I have 2 of these. They come in a 2-pack of these little planters that you get from the Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to do is paint them. I was going to paint them in white, but I changed my mind and painted in black. And once they dried down, I have some craft paper with like really pretty roses on it. So I cut it in a strip and Mod Podged it to the rim just to give it a better aesthetic for what I'm going for. And I'm just going to go ahead and add in some floral foam to the base, and I'm going to get some floral balls also, and I'm going to be using these as topiaries. There's 2 in a pack. All of these items are at your Dollar Tree. You just got to make sure that you find when they're available. I got these rose picks. I just cut the tips of the roses off, and I'm just going to push them inside. You don't even need hot glue for this, so it's a pretty nice DIY to do with family or kids and such. And it's just so pretty and so cute, and I love this. And I just add a little bit of the Spanish moss from the Dollar Tree to cover it up, and I'm gonna put it on a dowel. I put a little bit of glitter on the dowel to just make everything look better. And I took a few leaves to put it in the bottom of the Spanish moss, and that is it, and that is all. I love, love, love this DIY, and it's really cute to have this, to add this rose topiary that will bring a fresh accent to your home decor. So for my next one, I have a love sign, that faux wood, and all I'm going to do with this is just get some of that pretty rose craft paper from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to just set it to cut, size it up, and just cut it out because I'm going to be basically tracing around those letters to add that color to the next DIY. And I also put a little bit of red glitter on it before I cut this out to add it with Mod Podge, and basically that's it. Now I'm going to take one of these hearts and I'm going to split it in half with my X-Acto knife on my cutting mat, and I'm going to also be using one of these Dollar Tree signs. It has the cardboard with the glitter around it. I wanted to cut the bottom off to make it flat because I really don't need that point part at the bottom of it. And I'm just going to trace around it and take that same pretty rose craft paper and just cut it to fit, and then glue it in place with the Mod Podge because I'm going to be overlapping that heart on top of it. And as you can see, I painted over that white circle, the white heart in the middle too, because I thought it was distracting from the look. And that's it. I glued it in place. Now I'm going to take that word love that I previously did, and now you see how all of it matches with the pretty rose craft paper, and it's just so cute. And this time of year is perfect time or opportunity to use all the glitter and all the different colors and patterns. I got this really pretty Harlequin ribbon that I had forever, and I figured this would jazz it up and give it that look that I want. I love making whimsical items in decor for Valentine's Day, and guys, this is the perfect time of the year to do that. And as you can see, I actually left the actual ribbon on it the whole time because I really wanted this to be ready to hang on a wall with no additional hardware required. And also it will make the sweetest addition to any of your home decor for the holidays. So I really like the way this turned out, guys. And I added the little red ribbon to it just to bring the full look together, but I think that that Harlequin ribbon really makes it pop. You can also use this on a desktop or a tabletop or something, but I'm going to hang mine up, and you can change out whatever message you put on it because it's chalkboard. So I love this one. So for my next DIY, I'm going to be using a Hugs and Kisses sign from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to paint it down with matte black. I'm also going to be using one of those bases that you have in the Dollar Tree, and I know everybody has a million of these. I'm just going to paint that out also. And now that I've done that, I wanted to do a different take on a tabletop or shelf decor. So I have this bucket of gems that I had forever. I'm going to get basically sticking these to the edge of it. And guys, I love this because all you have to do is get a dotting tool to pick up the gems and apply some glue or Mod Podge, and it's that simple, and it has a big impact. And I love the way it turned out, and I did the exact same thing with the base and trimmed it out, and then I'm just gonna hot glue it together. And guys, this is perfect for like a tabletop, a shelf, and it just add a little bit of love to your home decor with hugs and kisses throughout the season. So I hope you guys liked all of these DIYs today. Try to pick up the items while they're in the store. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell twice for notifications. And guys, I appreciate you so much, and I hope you're able to get these items while they're in the store. I'll see you in the next video, and thank you all for watching.